Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2012, it's a Chevy Silverado, and as you can see we have the sway bar link on this particular side has snapped off. But if you come around to the other side, you'll see that that one is still intact. And what we're going to do on that side is we're going to come in here with a wrench. We're going to use a 14 millimeter wrench on the one, and we're going to use a 16 millimeter socket on the other so we can remove it from the vehicle. And this is what it looks like before it broke off. All right, so the top is a 14 millimeter, the bottom is a 16 millimeter. We're going to get in there with an air gun, and we're going to shoot these two off, and then we'll put the new links on both left and right side. You never do a sway bar link only on one side. You want to replace them both on the left and right side so that the job will be perfect. All right, so let's grab some tools, and let's get in there and get started. Now, if you have an air gun, you can use it, but if you don't have an air gun, you're going to have to do it by hand. I'm going to use the air gun because it's going to save me a couple of minutes. And basically, you just go onto the bottom of it, hold the top with the wrench, nice and tight, and you shoot this off. Take these bushings off like this, move your bar up a little bit, and you can pry this out just like that to remove it. What happens, water gets inside here, in between the plastic and here, and it corrodes away the stud, and it snaps off. So let me grab the new one. I'm going to show you how to put it back together, and we'll get this job wrapped up. It's a fairly easy job, so we'll just get through it. Alright, the replacements are a little bit different. The replacements are actually made by a company called Moog. Anybody in the business knows that Moog is one of the better parts that you can get out there. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to assemble it. And the way you do that is you put a flat washer on. You put the plastic spacer over the top like this here. Then you take this link, you put it through here, you install another plastic spacer there, you put a flat washer on it, like that, you install your spacer over the top, like that, put your flat washer on here, put your bushing back on like this, and then we'll bring it up underneath here like this. Put our other bushing on top. And then we just screw it on by hand. Not tight yet. So we're just going to screw it on. And then we're going to go around the other side. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. The same situation like this here. And then we can start tightening it up. So let me go around the other side, and I'm going to put the other one on the other side, and I'll show you how to tighten it up without breaking everything. This is how it comes when you buy it from the parts store. Alright, now I'm going to go around the other side, and I'm going to install this on the other side, and then we'll come right back and tighten that up. Okay, now we got the other side back. On the other side is on, it's not tight yet, it's just connected on. You have two options. You can tighten it on with a air gun, or you can tighten it on by hand. Either way is fine, just have to watch you don't split these bushings right here. I'm going to do this one by hand just so you can see. The other side I'll tighten up with the air gun. And you just snug everything down. You don't want to over tighten them and break anything. That's it. Nice and tight. These are self-locking nuts on here, so once you tighten them up, they lock in by themselves, and you don't have to worry about the nut backing out. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like when it's tightened up. Your bushings are supposed to be crushed a little bit, but not split. All right, both sides, left side and right side. All right, so that's what they're supposed to look like when they're tight. Don't tighten it down too tight, because if you tighten it too tight, you're going to crack the bushings, and you're going to wind up with a problem again. So I'm going to go around the other side now. I'm going to tighten that side up, and once that side's tight, then we're all done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.